Hey everybody, this is my 65 Mustang. I'm going to be doing a rev test today before I get the new exhaust installed. Right now it is factory manifolds with a Y pipe and a single pipe back to a resonator. The muffler is currently kind of rusted out, so the mechanic is going to replace the current exhaust with tri-Y, Scott Drake tri-Y headers, as well as a dual exhaust back with MagnaFlow mufflers. So here's the rev before the exhaust install. A couple takeaways from this install include the clutch arm being welded closer to the engine mount because it would hit the driver's side header. The intermediate pipe and the H pipe actually didn't fit, so custom welding had to be done, including the installation of an X pipe. And finally, custom chrome exhaust tips out the back of the Mustang. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you later.